Assalamualaikum, my dear student and my dear parents. This is me, Miss Jia Khan. Today I am going to tell about the formation of letter B and its phonic B. You can see on notebook there are 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can see there is one dot. It's a starting dot. First we will start from the starting dot. It's a starting dot. First you will make standing line, go down and stop on third line. Now pick up the pencil, make semicircle and stop the second line, then make another semicircle, stop the dot. It's B, letter B. I am putting one more dot on the top of the line. I will make standing line, start from the dot, come down, stop on third line, then go up and make semicircle from the second line, semicircle and join the dot. It's B, B, B.